Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
I realize they gave you extra time, but are you guys gonna be able to do this or?
Yeah, we should be good.
Miss White, listen.
Sorry.
No, don't be sorry.
Appreciate your thanks.
Do you know what you do if you don't do, if you're not able?
Before we moved into this place, we were like homeless for a month.
So kind of management versus James Card.
It might be back in the. Yeah, they're both here.
And Deanna White.
I'll go grab them. I think.
Okay, go ahead. And then these are the Ram. Got it. Pardon?
Correct, those four together.
Okay, and then I'll just say BO Properties versus iJams and Prospect Realty versus Alexander Bell Streety. Those matters are dismissed on plaintiff's motion without prejudice while I wait. They are? All right. Miss iJams, where is she? Okay, and Miss Bell Streety, your cases are being dismissed. Okay? You're welcome. Thank you for coming down. All right. You guys have a great holiday. All right. Hello. What are you?
Hello. I'm Deanna White.
James Card.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Your Honor, we agreed to a consent judgment. We agreed that the pasture rent is $8,026.59. The costs are $220. The total is $8,246.59. The judgment for possession only, and we agreed that they will either pay that or move by July 10th, 2026.
July 10th?
Yes.
Okay. Folks, is that what you agreed to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? All right. What's up?
We're just hoping July 10th is gonna give us enough time to get another paycheck and,
I mean,
you know,
yeah.
get everything arranged, stuff properly.
Like,
Miss White, you look like you have something you want to say to me. What do you want to say to me?
like, I feel like we would have been able to pay off our debt initially, and we had a payment agreement like set up. But then there was like a fire at my work, and it like took me some time to like get into a different, I work at Burger King, different Burger
Okay.
King. And we were doing good on our payments. And then out of nowhere, we get like a bill for like 3 months worth of electricity. And then like a month or two later, we get another bill for like 3 months worth of electricity, which also triplicated or like it tripled each month too. So like the one bill ended up being like grand out of nowhere. And although it is a little bit of a mistake on our part, because I guess we were supposed to put the electricity in our name, although I almost could have swore that they told us that we were paying them for the electricity, but that part was still my fault. But like it took
All right, look,
like
hang on.
it took like 6 months for them to like discover that it, like, I don't know, the numbers are just weird, but sorry.
No, I asked you. That's okay. I realize they gave you extra time, but are you guys gonna be able to do this or?
Yeah, we should be good.
Miss White, listen,
Sorry.
no, don't be sorry.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Do you know what you do if you don't do, if you're not able?
Before we moved into this place, we were like homeless for a month. We stayed at a campground and that worked out pretty well.
Okay.
They had all the basic amenities and stuff.
We're not,
Signed the first lease, we were told that, we would be immediately available to the apartment that we were moving into. And then when we signed it, we realized that it wouldn't be available for another month, and that's where we had to stay at the thing.
We
gotcha.
thought we weren't gonna be able to get in because we had to spend the money that we had saved for the deposit on staying at the campground and rides to and from stuff like that. But they, I mean, they were nice enough. They said we could pay like half the deposit up front, and we did. And then we moved in, and we were just gonna pay everything back. But then so he had two jobs before we went homeless, and then when we were homeless, like I worked a job and then he worked a job, and we have dogs that have like separation anxiety, so like one of us kind of had to be at the tent at all times. So like when he would work, I would stay, and then when I would work, he would stay. So like he couldn't work the second job, which was in,
Miss White. It's okay.
but it was the business down in the building below, well, same building, but the business below us. And they strung us along for like a month and a half saying like, oh, we're going to put you on the schedule next week. We're going to put you on the schedule next week. And then they never did. And so we fell behind. And then eventually he got the opportunity to pick up more hours at his other job. But then as soon as he got that, a fire happened at my place. And then that set us behind even more. And then we got all the electricity bills that don't make any sense. And
Okay, Miss White, no.
sorry.
No, you got all kinds of things flying around in your head, trying to figure out how. Let me ask you a question. Mr. Card said we agreed on the 10th, hoping that we can get all of this sorted out by then, right? That's what he said, and that's what you said. How much more time do you need to try to be comfortable? You think that you can get this paid?
What do you think?
Maybe weeks, you know,
An extra week?
yeah. Maybe an extra week, you know.
Like I get paid weekly and he gets paid bi-weekly.
So if you head to the 17th, you think you can get this done?
It'd be a lot easier, yeah.
Yeah.
Because this way, July's rent doesn't click into it. So
Yeah.
I will issue this judgment by consent
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
for the amount that is agreed upon by the parties. I will, however, not issue a writ in this case until July 17th. So I'm going to extend the date one more week out. All right. Then that way, maybe they give you a little bit more time to just get it together. A week, you'll be in that same month. A week is not
Yeah. It'll help out a lot.
going to help you out. Okay. And if you were explain your 3-day right of rescission,
Oh, yes.
you were explain that. Okay. You do have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'll sign the judgment and then you guys, do me a favor. All right. And that is, I know it's hard. Have a good weekend. Keep smiling. All right, Miss White.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
I appreciate it.
All right. Take care.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.